Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make an extra $200 a day in 2022. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Find out how to make an extra $200 a day in the year 2022 and beyond. You can make an extra $200 a day in a lot of different ways. You could take online service, do mystery shopping, or start a blog. All of these ways require some work on your part, but in the end, they are all worth it. Find something you are interested in and excited about as a place to start. No matter what you are interested in or passionate about, there will be other people who feel the same way. This can be about sports, hobbies, affiliate marketing, or a certain type of movie or TV show. There are many ways to do this. You just have to want to. For example, you love football very much. I have no doubt that if I asked for an extra $200 a day, I would get it. You could make money by starting a blog about football. Once you've decided what to write about or talk about, it's time to work on growing your audience. If you want people to pay for the content you provide, they have to be interested in what you have to say. This can be done in a lot of different ways. First, you should figure out what your niche will be. As mentioned earlier, you are writing about football. It's pretty easy because not many people write about that. I can tell you though that 2 or 3 other cat lovers have already done it. The best thing you can do is look for something that isn't as popular as your first choice. The more specific or unique your niche, the more likely it is that you will get traffic and make an extra $200 a day. Once you have decided what you want to write about, it is time to start writing. I think there are 2 ways to do this. You could write the blog post and then edit it later. That is, make sure there is a lot of white space though. You could try something a little less passive that gives you more passive income. You can write the blog post and then read it again to make sure the keywords are in the right places. This is something I do when I write my blogs that make money for me in the background. It might take a little while to get used to this method, but once you do, it is easy. The best part is that you can use a tool like SEMrush to help you find keywords that are related to your niche. Once you have written your post, you can hit publish and start making an extra $200 a day. Just remember that making passive income takes hard work and a lot of time. But if you don't give up and keep trying, you will soon be making an extra $200 a day. This is a way to make money without doing anything. I will keep looking for ways to make money that don't take much of my time. But if you are like me, you probably want more than just $200 a day. With a little more work, you could easily increase this to $500 or even $1,000 a week. This is just one way to make money, but it's a great way to start if you want to make money while you sleep. And once you know how to do it, it's easy to just want to do well and do it. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.